Hi, morning everyone. I'm out here at the park again. This time, I haven't been doing macro for a while with the camera, but I'm gonna try do something interesting that you normally wouldn't think of, because if you bought a kit lens with the camera body, so I'm talking about the R8 with the RF24-50mm, it's a kit set with the body. So with the kit lens, you normally think, I can't do much of anything with it. Today I'm going to try to prove to you you can. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my setup. You look at this setup. This is the R8 with the kit lens, and this is the Raynox 250, which you just clip on to the front part of the lens, right? And then I put in the extension arm to the horseshoe for the LED. So this LED, any LED you can get that is super bright and is powered by battery. The reason why I'm using this is I want to do focus tracking, at the same time try out this kit lens with the macro function. So you can have fun with this. This is a very simple lightweight setup that maybe you can try if you've got the kit lens set and you want to explore something new in your photography. So we shall try it today, but it is raining mad, so I may be using the umbrella in one hand and then holding this camera in another hand. So let's look at the pictures and maybe I can get some video. Reason why I switched to this kit lens in terms of that, because I have stabilization as well as autofocus and manual focus, and I use for macro, but in video maybe I might be using autofocus. So I want to do high-speed video for the insects for macro, so you can see the insect moving maybe in slow motion. Let's try this out. So this again is a kit set, okay? So you can try this out if you get the R8 with the kit lens 24 to 50mm. So not bad, right? Look at the setup. So like, yeah, you can hear the Asian call is up there, and I didn't bring my, oh my god, the Asian call and the male and female both are there, and I didn't bring my long lens. Never mind. We're here to do macro today, so this is how the setup will be with the light on, and I will try to look for some bugs. It will be interesting to see what's the outcome of the photos, so I can show you. So kit lens is fun. Okay, the famous fly. Let's try to get a shot of this guy. So this is a kit lens that you need to extend out, and 50mm it comes back in shorter. Let's try to get the fly, and let me flip it up so you guys can see my screen. So manual function, manual focus, and then that's the fly. I'm at f14, 100 of a second, ISO 5000. Don't care about the ISO because R8 ISO is pretty good, so that's how the fly looks like. I just have to make sure my focus is in the right place. It's a bit too back. Yep, this one looks okay. You can see the compound eyes. So then I can try the focus bracketing on this guy. So I don't need it to move, I need it to stay there. So the idea of focus bracketing is you need to get to the closest point, right, where the closest point is, and then the rest it will do the bracketing by itself. See, the blower is back on again. Okay, there's the bracketing. Wow, handheld focus bracketing. Look at that. You can actually see the eyes and everything. Oh, this is so much easier. So it's so much easier, focus bracketing, and ISO 1000 because it's stacking many photos together. Wow, focus bracketing works even on manual, and that's it. So easy. You practically can shoot anything macro with this. All you need is do a simple setup here. Look at that. Number of shots 5, and then increment I'm using 2, and then exposure smoothing, depth composite, and then depth crop. Right, so this is just my setting, and photos came out easily. So the drawback using focus bracketing is you can't use flash, and you need a very nice external lighting. But we'll switch back to flash photography since there's some already tested the focus bracketing. I'll probably come back when there's sufficient sunlight or need a higher powered LED. But we'll just use flash again for now. I'll show you how the flash looks like. Hi, morning, Richard here. I'm out here trying to get some macro, but I'm testing out with a new setup. Previously I did the 24-50mm RF kit lens with just the Raynox 2.5 times macro conversion, but now I've added, look at this, I've added a 10 times plus 10 diopter in front, so it's 2.5 then plus 10 on the front, so I'm getting nearer focus on this. So I'll show you some pictures and videos from the box that I'm going to take here. You have a look and see. So just playing around. So if you have the R8 with the kit lens, don't worry about the kit lens. It's pretty usable. You just get the adapter and put it in front, and then you can do your macro already. So you have a look at the photos. Okay, lucky me, there is a assassin bug here. Let's try to get hold of it. The thing about this 50mm is you gotta get really near. To get focus. Because I'm really near. So the bug will fly away. Okay, there's a plant hopper. You can't believe it. There's a plant hopper right on my hand. I always get these guys, right? So there you have it. That's the plant hopper. Yeah, landed on my hand. Gave me a nice shot. That's how it looks like. Because it's underground. I hope he's not being caught by a spider. It seems like he's being attacked. Yeah, as I guess maybe he's being caught by a spider. Yeah, as I guess. Yeah, poor guy is being caught by a spider. Oh, look at this. This bug is so beautiful. It's so colorful. Let's try to get a shot of it. Hopefully it doesn't fly away. And it's always the wind that comes when you're trying to shoot something. Oh, it's moving like mad like that. So it's raining again. Starting to rain, is dark sky. That's why I didn't go out and shoot birds. I did macro because it's rainy now. Hope you like the photos and the video coming out from this setup. It's just the RF24-50mm kit lens with the R8 and with the Raynox 250 in front and a 10x plus 10 diopter in front as well. So that gave me a closer focusing range. So you don't really need to buy a dedicated macro lens. You can just use your kit lens and enjoy the photography. Hope you like the pictures and the videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.